back to my channel. I totally forgot to film the prime isolators, but they were in the freezer right now, so I will do a part 2 on those. And I was making a fidget, but it randomly just paused, so I have to try and do it again. So I was just finding scissors. Let's go find some. There's never any scissors where I think they're going to be, so. I got some scissors. Alright, got some. Now I'm just going to snip this little bit off, so the top of the glue. I got this part. This is really hard. I don't know why that was on my arm. No, the string fell off. Ooh. This is actually okay. This is pretty good what I'm making. So it looks like this. It looks like a garbage bin, and there's like a hole in it. I don't even know what I was doing then. Alright, so I'm just going to trim a little hole for my finger to go in. Because I'm going to make this into like a sensory thing. So I need some oil beads, so I will be back now. Or, okay, you may as well come with me again. This is turning into like literally a whole marathon. Are these all? No, they're like deflated ones. I might need to enter a little dip. I'm just gonna check out here. No. I'm gonna have to fill it with like, maybe like ripped up paper. Close. No, I shouldn't. What I'm gonna fill it with. Feels good. So this is what I have. What is the date on these? I don't even know. I'll use them anyway. just filling this up. Like, oh, that feels so good when you dip your finger in. It just does. Okay. So I'm just filling it. I think I'm going to put a tiny bit more in. Like this much. Okay, subscribe for part 2, please.